What's up guys, it's Tron here with DrumVault. Today I'm going to be previewing my Interstellar V5 stem kit. It's the 5th in the series. We got 30 loops here, all with their stems, all with midis. So yeah, just like hundreds of files in there, all for a good price. And the Interstellar bundle is coming soon, so you can get them all really cheap and you can get all 5. So that's 150 stems, and we're going to be starting it at $60 I think. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And I'm actually going to cook something up first, so I'll just choose one out. I'm going to go with this one for now. Just drag everything in. Alright, so I'm just dragging in some of the midis, so if I add some counter melodies I can stay on key. And I deleted the kick and the 808, and I'm just going to customize that just for the sake of this cookup. Alright, first I'm going to add in an omnisphere and add in a counter melody. Alright, so I'm actually going to start with the bass. I've gone in my new platinum bank and chose this bass. And I think it sounds really cool, so see how it sounds with the stem. Now I'm just going to grab a kick and add that in. I'm going to go in my lift off drum kit, choose one out. Just turn it all the way up. Now I'm going to choose out a hat. Now I'm just going to arrange this and then I'll run you through some of the other loops. Alright, now I'll just quickly run through all the loops for you guys. I made probably about half of them all with drums and 808s, so you can choose to use them if you like I have here. And some of them are just melody based ones, but all together they've all got dope melodies that you can take thanks to having the separate stems and midis. So So yeah, as more in the second half, they're more melody based than drums, but all keeping to the spacey ambient melodies. So yeah, 30 really high quality, spacey, ambient, dark type of loops. Some happier ones in there. I tried to arrange this one a bit more than the others, so this is definitely the best of the series and my favourite stem kit I've made. So hope you guys enjoy it, and hope you have fun with all these files that are in it. So I'll let the beat play out that I cooked up, and I'll see you guys in the next preview.